Hi, this is Craig, the water guy. Hope you're doing well. I want to go over the flow and the process and how our Ultimate Plus well water systems work. This particular drawing also has the ultraviolet light water disinfection system added to it for killing bacteria. So from your pressure tank, from your existing well water pressure tank, the water is going to flow out of that on its way to the home through the pH neutralizer. The way the pH neutralizer works is it has a media in it called calcite limestone, which is a crushed milled marble, and at the bottom it has bedding gravel. So the water runs through this system down through the control valve, down through the calcite limestone media. The calcite limestone media will raise pH if it's below 7.0. So as an example, let's say you have a pH of 6.5, which is acidic corrosive water. It will run through this calcite limestone and it will dissolve until the pH on contact until the pH gets to 7.0 to 7.1, which is now neutral and is no longer corrosive or acidic. And then it runs through the gravel bed, up through the distributor tube, and then into the iron filter. The iron filter has a media in it called Catalox, which is a high grade filter media for iron, manganese, and sulfur. The water runs through there and it removes your iron, ferric and ferrous iron. Ferric iron is red water iron, ferrous iron is clear water iron. And then it runs through and it also removes manganese and a fairly good amount of sulfur as well. Runs through the gravel bed at the bottom, upward through the distributor tube and out to the water softener. Now the water softener has a resin bed in it. The resin bed uses ion exchange, where it exchanges small amounts of sodium or potassium for the hardest minerals, the iron, and manganese. So once the water runs through this resin bed, the water is now soft. The water hardness minerals are at zero now, they're non existent. And it also removes the remaining balance of iron and manganese that is left over after running through the pH neutralizer and iron filter. The water then runs up through the distributor tube into the ultraviolet light system. The ultraviolet light system has a high intensity ultraviolet light in it that is surrounded by a quartz tube. The water runs through here, twirls itself around that quartz tube. As the light penetrates through that quartz tube, it kills the bacteria coliform E. coli bacteria on contact. From there, the water flows through the house. I hope that was helpful and have a great day.